Hello children. In your classes till now you have learnt about nouns, pronouns, adjectives and verbs. So you know what is a noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. It can also name material, idea, quality or state. Now what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Then third you have learnt about adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun, modifies a noun. Like beautiful girl. Beautiful is what? Adjective. Now then fourth you have learnt about verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word that describes an action or denotes state of being or state of mind or shows position. Now in your today's class you will learn about adverb. What is an adverb? From the name itself, adverb, that means it adds to the meaning of a verb, modifies a verb. Now you see the sentences written here. Mary sings sweetly. In this sentence, the first sentence, Mary is what? A noun, a proper noun. Sings is what? A verb. What it is? Sings, a verb. So, this is a verb. Now, how she sings? Sweetly. So, this sweetly, this underlined word is adverb. This is adverb. Now, in the second sentence, we ate a very heavy lunch. You see, we is what? Pronoun. It is used in place of noun. So, it is a pronoun. Ate is what? A verb. Then you see lunch. What is lunch? A noun. And what type of lunch? Heavy lunch. So, this heavy word is modifying which word in this sentence? Lunch. And you know a word that modifies a noun. Lunch is a noun. A word that modifies a noun is an adjective. So that means heavy is what? Adjective. Heavy is adjective. Now in this case you can see the word very is underlined. What is this very? This is adverb. This is adverb. Very is adverb. In this case, in the second sentence, adverb is modifying adjective. In the first one, adverb sweetly is modifying the verb sings. In the second sentence, adverb very is modifying the word adjective heavy. So, from these two sentences, we come to a conclusion that an adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb, or it can also add to the meaning of an adjective. Now in the third sentence you see, he quite competently answered all the questions. Now he is pronoun. Now answered is what? A verb. Answered all the questions. Questions noun. So how he answered? Competently. So you have already learned that a word which modifies a verb is an adverb. Like here sings how? Sweetly. Sweetly is adverb. So answered how? Competently. So that means competently is adverb. Competently is what? Adverb. This word is adverb. Competently means perfectly. This is adverb. Now then what is this quite? This underlined word. This is also adverb. This is also adverb. In this case, in the third sentence, the adverb is modifying another adverb, adding to the meaning of another adverb. So, the definition of adverb is, an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. Like in the first sentence, sings how sweetly. An adjective, like in the second sentence, heavy is adjective, very is adverb. Or another adverb, like in the third sentence, competently is adverb, and quite is adding to the meaning of this another adverb, competently. So quite is adverb. So adverb is a word that modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, kinds of adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of number, adverbs of degree, and interrogative adverbs. Now, first of all, we will take adverbs of manner. Now, you see the sentences. The underlined words are adverbs. Wisely, foolishly, fast, slowly. Peter acted wisely. She spent all her wealth foolishly. She ran fast. The old man walked slowly. Now, in these sentences, the underlined words are adverbs. Peter acted how? Wisely. Wisely is adverb. She spent all her wealth how? Foolishly. She ran how? Fast. The old man walked how? Slowly. So these all words are describing these verbs: acted, spent, ran, walked. And these all words are answering the question how. So these all words written here are adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. So the adverbs wisely, foolishly, fast, slowly gives us information about how or in what manner an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. Now the word fast here can be used as an adjective also. He is a fast runner. In that case, it will become adjective. Always remember, you see how the words are used in the sentence given. Here it is adverb. She ran. Ran is verb. How? Fast. Fast is adverb. So, adverbs of manner answer the question what? How. Answers the question how. That is all about today's class. Thank you.